Buddy,
Hi.
look at this bug, man. Look at that thing. Is that crazy or what?
Yep.
Oh.
What?
It's got pinchers. I don't know why, but he has pinchers. Watch out. Don't touch him. I don't like those pinchers, man.
Why?
Look at that. Isn't that crazy looking?
Yep. It's weird looking. That's weird looking.
Well, that's ugly. He's got pinchers. Ew.
Don't want to step on him.
No, we're not going to step on him. Wow, look at. Imagine that thing getting on your face.
What?
How about if I pick him up and put him on your face?
No! He'll bite you.
He'll bite you. I'll put him on your face.
Why do you want to bite me?
I don't want him to bite you. I was just kidding.
If you put that bug on me, I'll take your camera away.
Uh-oh, I better not do that then. Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna let him touch the stick. He might flip over. I have no idea what kind of bug that is. Don't touch him.
Boy.
That is one freaky bug. That's some kind of a beetle, I think.
That is a beetle.
It's some kind of a beetle, I'm sure. It's definitely not a roach. That sucker's got pinchers. Look at it, he's going around in circles, man. He's got antennas. Don't hurt him. Let's see if he bites it. No. He's wanting to get away. Alright, well, let me get him on a stick or a piece of cardboard or something. And we'll take him and put him in the weeds, okay?
Why?
Hey, you want him to live, don't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy, wait a minute. Alright, we have him on the cardboard. Rawr. He's going to slide towards you. Whoa! He almost got you. You alright?
I'm taking your camera away.
Alright, alright. Well, let's go throw him in the weeds, man. Okay, here he goes. He's in the weeds. But he's upside down.
Can I see that?
Let me flip him over. Maybe he can live. There he goes. Where'd he go?
Right there.
There he is. Yeah. Okay, we just heard a woodpecker in the tree. And we know there's a lot of woodpecker holes in the tree, but we just heard him. Let's see if we can hear him without a car coming by. Hear that? That's a woodpecker, people. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know where he is up here, but he's definitely in here. We were filming him and the helicopter had to come by. Damn it. So much for living in the country, huh? Hear him? That's a woodpecker. Let's see if we can see him. Ben, stay there.
Stay there. Ben, stay there. Ben, stay there.
Ben, stay there.
Ben, stay there. there.
There they are. He's definitely up there. All right, now we're going to plant some sunflowers. Okay, over here, buddy. I'll hold this bag for you.
Yeah.
See this stick?
Uh-huh.
Put them right in that hole when I pull the stick out, okay?
Okay.
Just drop them in the hole right now. Attaboy. I'm going to cover it up.
Yeah.
Cover up the hole. Cover up the hole.
Yeah.
Bee's nest. Old bee's nest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huge. Wow, you're fast. Goofball. Oh, stay still. Stay still, goofball. Love you, buddy. Goofball. What kind of plant is that?
A bleeding heart.
What is it?
A bleeding heart.
A bleeding heart?
Yes.
That is cool, man. A bleeding heart. Very neat.
My mom built some
Hmm?
flowers at her house.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Chevrolet or Ford?
Ford.
Ew, we don't like Fords. We like Chevrolets.
Yes, we do.
All right, let's go, man.
I was at my mom's house.
Let's go play some rock and roll.
Baby.
What?
Rock and roll, baby.
Rock and roll, baby, with your finger up your nose. Goof. Where are we going?
Let's play rock and roll.
We're going to play some rock and roll?
Yep.
We're going to have a jam session in the garage? All right. We're going to go in the garage and have a jam session.
But we have to make it loud so Mom can hear.
Okay, we're going to make it loud so everybody can hear. I'm going to go get my Gibson guitar, my SG, and you're going to get your Fender, right?
No, only I'm getting
The Ibanez?
Yep.
All right, you get your Ibanez, I'll get my SG. We'll turn on the Fender bass amp, and we're going to have some fun.
Yep.
Rock and roll. Say rock and roll.